Our fourth lecture video on properties of matter will discuss stress. Stress is the ratio of an outside applied force to the area over which the force acts. The equation to find stress is that stress equals the applied force divided by area. Or we could say that S equals F divided by A, where S stands for the stress in newtons per square meter or pounds per square inch. F stands for the force either in newtons or pounds, and A is the area in square meters or square inches, depending on which system our other units are in. The units for stress, like I already mentioned, are newtons per meter squared, which is the same thing as a Pascal, represented by PA. Pascals are named after Blaise Pascal, who was a famous mathematician and physicist. In the English or standard system, pounds per square inch can be represented by the letters PSI. Let's take a look at a conceptual example of stress. Say we have a box that is 4 inches by 4 inches by 17 inches as shown in the picture. Even though both pictures have the exact same box and the box has the exact same mass each time, the stress exerted on the floor by each box is different. The stress exerted by the box on the left will be much less than the stress exerted by the box on the right, since it has a larger area in contact with the floor. When the same force is applied to a smaller area, the stress is greater. This is why if you or someone you know have ever tried to walk on wet ground or grass in high heels, the heels tend to sink into the ground much more than if you or that other person would have tennis shoes on. The surface area in contact with the ground in high heels is much less than the surface area in contact with the ground in flat shoes, so the stress is much larger with heels than the tennis shoes. There are 5 main types of stress. They are tension, compression, shearing, torsion, and bending. In the next video, we will take a closer look at each of the 5 types of stress.